What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to this video presentation. Welcome to your launchpad. In this presentation, as I said before, we're going to look into the KiBO Eclipse program. But before we get into it, let's make a proper introduction so you can learn who I am. About me, I'm passionate about a lot of things. I'm passionate about my girls. I'm passionate about working. And I love doing what I'm doing right now, which is talking to you on a video presentation. Each time I share a product or service with someone, and the goal is to help you guys or help you make that decision that I know you have in your mind. I grew up in New York, and I was born in the sunny island of Jamaica. How many of you guys have been to Jamaica? If you haven't been there, man, please put that on your bucket list. Jamaica is an amazing place. Full of food, full of fun, full of excitement. You're just gonna love it. All right. And again, to bring you great services, to bring you products that I find useful to your business, interesting, unique, and the vendors that I've come to know and trust over the years. All right. So let's move on. Now, who are these two gentlemen that we're talking about? Aidan and Stephen Clayton. Genuinely, these are really good guys. They each time they have brought something to the marketplace, it's generally good. It's generally a good product. It's nothing sleazy. It's nothing salesy. It's nothing that's not going to help your business. They are always delivering something that's going to make and grow your business exponentially. They have created massively successful products which I have used and know about. And they're into the physical spaces. What they are right now, they're teaching how to do e-commerce, which is e-commerce have exploded exponentially over the past couple of months since the COVID pandemic, and without question their program is going to teach you how to tap into this ever increasing market. It's not going anywhere. It's not going down. It's growing even higher. Okay. And as I said before, in the digital space, they have been in the digital space for a number of years with an amazing product I'm going to mention to you or tell you about in a few minutes. Now, for me, this is called, or I call this the KiBO Eclipse Takeover, because they're here to bring a product to you which you've probably seen before if you have joined KiBO Quantum, but this one is totally different. We're going to show you in a few minutes. Now, the KiBO Eclipse. Okay, the KiBO Eclipse program isn't just a simple reboot of the Quantum or the KiBO. This is an entirely new training. It's entirely new. In fact, they're going to be focusing on massive breakthroughs they have made over the past few months. All right, the process is even easier for everyone. So if you're thinking about, oh man, this may be hard for me, I can't do this, listen, it's even easier. Okay, so you are going to find this much simpler process. Now, we know that a KiBO Quantum is currently closed. There's no access to the KiBO Quantum. So if you're thinking about, oh man, I missed it last time, let me wait and see, no, there's no access to the KiBO Quantum, but you will have access to the KiBO Eclipse today. Okay, you can now access the KiBO Eclipse and start your e-commerce business. Remember, it's even easier, it's even simpler to grow your business with the KiBO Eclipse program. They have really done a great job with this program. Product highlights. I did mention earlier about a program they've come out with a couple years ago, and if you've been around online for any time prior to 2000 and say 10 or so, you may have seen they came out with a product called the Commission Blueprint. I mean, Commission Blueprint was a massive successful program. It made a lot of people a lot of money because it was that good, right? Then they came out with the Commission Blueprint Revolution, the second installment of that stuff. I mean, that was even crazier. I mean, they have come up with many other programs, which some of them are no longer online. But I'm just mentioning you because the track record that they have. All right, and then the Commission Blueprint Revolution yet again was another crazy. I think you can still find the Commission Revolution online. You can still find that program online. It's still there. I saw it. Okay, now we're gonna move on. Success principles are not by accident. All right. Now, did I skip a section? Let's see. Oh, I didn't skip any section. Oh, here we go. Now, the KiBO code. We did mention here that the KiBO code is no longer available, but here we go with the Commission Blueprint. As you can see, they were primarily focusing on ClickBank, and then you can still find this product online. I did run into it. You can still find it. All right, but these guys, they've created a hugely successful program, and the Commission Blueprint was one that I vividly remembered. The KiBO code, the KiBO Quantum. I mean, these programs are even more big because, as I said, they're focusing on the e-commerce space, which if you've been thinking about getting into the e-commerce space, now is your time. Now is your time, and they have brought to you the KiBO Eclipse program that you can jump on and start your e-commerce business. Again, the e-commerce business has exploded over the past couple of months since the pandemic, and we know it's not going anywhere. It's only going to get bigger. Now, getting into this before the KiBO Eclipse program is closed is essential. I mean, you have to act on this fast, because we know once the door is closed, the door is closed. So go ahead, jump on the KiBO Eclipse program, get your business going, look to make a lot of bank. I mean, it's true, not everybody's going to make money with this, because not everybody have the ability or the stamina to stick it out, because some people are going to quit. Nothing happens overnight, but with the training and the support from the KiBO Eclipse team, you will for sure get to your desired success, all right, or the result that you're looking for. Again, jump on the KiBO program, get into it, get started. Go ahead, jump. Go ahead now. Click on the link below, or you can just type in that URL in your browser and get onto the KiBO Eclipse program. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hope to talk to you soon. Hope to hear your successes. Hope to hear how much business you've done with your program, and I look forward to speaking with you. Thanks so much, and you have an awesome day. Peace out.